Hello everyone, this is Carlos speaking. I'm from Nanjing Rosefinch Corporation Limited. We are specialized in making tethering stations for all drones. Today, I will introduce our new design tethering station for DJI new drone Matrice 400. Follow me. This is the new ground module, and it can equip with different air module for different drones. For example, this one air module we designed the power output 3 kilowatts. For the drone supports the takeoff weight 15 kilograms. This air module is designed for Matrice 400, the power output 3 kilowatts. This air module designed for DJI Matrice 350. The output power is 2000 kilowatts. And this air module designed for DJI Matrice 30. The output power is 2000 kilowatts. It has many features. Let me introduce. First, as you can see, the size is small and lightweight. One person can handle. So it is easy to transport and fast deployment. The weight is 12 kilograms. We adopt many multi-protection designs. One, the DC and AC separate designing. And it also has many multi-protections like over wattage, under wattage, and over current protections, and the short circuit protections. As you can see, we use this DC button to start the system. No need to touch the AC buttons to start the system. That can improve the security. We can see from this ground module, it has a battery here. This battery is designed for retract the cable when the AC cut off, and it also can use it to turn on the touch screen. As you can see, the screen light, and the touch screen can show the power, temperature, wattage, and the cable length, the power consumption, current. We can see this button is for retract the cables, and this button is the high voltage button. We press this and then slide, then high voltage will start, and off, then this high voltage off. We go to next page. This we can change the language, and then this one to turn on the alarm noisy. This light for control the lighting device. 1, 2, 3 cheers. We can see from the touch screen, it shows the parameters of the working conditions, and we can also get the data information via the port, serial port, RJ45 Ethernet port to connect with our computer, and we can use our software to control the tethering station, turn on and turn off the high voltage, and turn on and off the lighting device. And this we design is for optic fiber. We can achieve the communication between the drones and the ground control system via this FC connector. And we can also choose different connector like LC, SC, ST connectors. This is the AC connector. This is the button for control the front lighting device. Let me try. Press this button and this light will on. The 6 features is that the automated winch system. We can pull out the cable, and the cable can go down and go inside. The cable up and down with the drone up and down. We need some settings. When the signal lost, then we choose hovering. It is default when use tethered system. And we off the obstacle sensing. Also close the downward infrared sensor. And we need to choose the maximum altitude. That is 90% of the cable length. For example, the cable length is 100 meters, then we set 90 meters. Okay, when the model is normal, then we can fly. Turn off the remote controller. Press the retraction button to retract the cable. Turn off the tethering station. Then disconnect the AC power. Take out the cable.